What if I told you that the key to unlocking longevity lies within your gut? In recent years, groundbreaking research has shed light on the intricate relationship between gut health and aging. According to a compelling 2024 study, the phenomenon of leaky gut, characterized by increased intestinal permeability, is not only linked to accelerated biological aging but also holds implications for a myriad of age-related diseases. But what exactly is leaky gut and how does it impact our overall health and longevity? Let's delve into the scientific underpinnings of leaky gut and its profound implications for the aging process. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. The science behind leaky gut and aging. At the core of our digestive system lies a delicate balance between absorption and protection. Leaky gut, formerly known as increased intestinal permeability, disrupts this equilibrium, allowing harmful substances to leak through the intestinal barrier and into the bloodstream. The 2024 study provided by NCBI, Oxford Academic, and the Forbes Longevity Center not only highlights the association between leaky gut and accelerated aging, but also unravels the intricate interplay between gut microbiomes and aging processes. Picture this. Within our intestines resides a bustling community of microorganisms known as the gut microbiota. These microscopic inhabitants play a pivotal role in our health by aiding in digestion, regulating immunity, and even influencing our mood. However, age-related changes in microbiota composition can lead to dysbiosis, a disruption in the balance of gut microbes, paving the way for leaky gut and inflammation. Furthermore, this reveals a fascinating connection between the gut and the brain. Metabolites produced by the gut microbiota, such as neurotransmitters and short-chain fatty acids, have the ability to impact the permeability of the blood-brain barrier. This intricate communication system between the gut and the brain suggests a potential link between leaky gut and neurodegenerative pathology, adding another layer to the aging puzzle. As we delve deeper into the complexities of aging, it becomes evident that maintaining gut health is paramount for promoting longevity. But how exactly does gut health influence the aging process, and what are the implications for age-related diseases? In the following section, we'll explore the association between gut microbiota, aging, and disease, shedding light on the profound impact of leaky gut on our overall well-being. Now let's discuss aging, microbiota composition, and disease. As we age, the composition of our gut microbiota undergoes significant changes, influencing various aspects of our health and well-being. Research has shown that these age-related alterations in microbiota composition are not merely coincidental, but are intricately linked to physical frailty, cognitive decline, and the onset of chronic diseases. For instance, studies comparing gut health in older mice with their younger counterparts have revealed stark differences. Older mice exhibit higher levels of leaky gut, inflammation, and microbiome dysbiosis, highlighting the impact of aging on gut integrity and function. This phenomenon mirrors what is observed in humans, where age-related changes in the gut microbiota contribute to a range of age-related ailments. Moreover, the association between leaky gut syndrome and intestinal barrier dysfunction extends beyond gastrointestinal disorders. Conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease are just the tip of the iceberg. Extra-intestinal diseases, including type 1 diabetes mellitus, celiac disease, obesity, and heart diseases, have also been linked to impaired gut health. Understanding the intricate relationship between gut microbiota, aging, and disease underscores the importance of prioritizing gut health for longevity. But how can we intervene to preserve gut integrity and mitigate the effects of aging-related dysbiosis? In the next section, we'll explore therapeutic approaches aimed at restoring gut health and promoting healthy aging, offering insights into potential strategies for enhancing longevity and well-being. For the solution, here are some therapeutic approaches for leaky gut and aging. In the quest for longevity, therapeutic interventions targeting gut health have emerged as promising strategies to combat aging-related ailments. Probiotic therapies harnessing the power of beneficial microorganisms have shown potential in preventing or alleviating leaky gut and inflammation associated with aging. By restoring the balance of gut microbiota, probiotics bolster intestinal barrier function, reducing permeability and dampening inflammatory responses. Another intriguing avenue for combating aging-related disorders is the use of metformin, a widely prescribed anti-diabetic drug. Research suggests that metformin not only ameliorates metabolic dysfunction, but also exerts beneficial effects on aging processes, extending lifespan in various animal models. Its multifaceted mechanisms of action, including modulation of gut microbiota and inflammation, position metformin as a promising candidate for promoting healthy aging. Furthermore, the role of diet cannot be overstated in maintaining gut integrity and overall health. An anti-inflammatory diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and antioxidants serves as a cornerstone for promoting proper gut function and mitigating age-related dysbiosis. Conversely, diets high in processed foods and inflammatory triggers can exacerbate gastrointestinal distress and increase the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging. If you favor a solution without the use of pharmaceuticals, we do suggest the role of a full anti-inflammatory diet. As we delve deeper into therapeutic avenues for leaky gut and aging, it becomes evident that a multifaceted approach is necessary for optimal outcomes. By integrating probiotic therapies, pharmacological interventions, and dietary modifications, we can pave the way towards enhanced gut health, longevity, and overall well-being. In unraveling the mysteries of aging, the spotlight has increasingly turned towards the gut and its profound influence on longevity. From leaky gut to dysbiosis, research has illuminated the intricate interplay between gut health and aging-related diseases. As we stand at the forefront of this scientific frontier, the imperative is clear: prioritize gut health for a longer, healthier life. By embracing probiotic therapies, pharmacological interventions like metformin, and anti-inflammatory dietary practices, we can empower ourselves to defy the limitations of aging. Let's embark on this journey towards optimal gut health, unlocking the secrets to a vibrant and fulfilling life.